Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix all Windows Media Player issues in your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start menu over here, and then look for Settings, and then go to System. This is for Windows 11. Now for Windows 10, same, but you could just click on or choose System right away, and then look for this control panel system. Then both Windows 10 or 11 go to optional features. And then over here, you should be able to locate Windows Media Player. For example, this is the Windows Media Player. If you're not able to locate it here, you can search over here, Windows Media Player. Left click on it once, and then choose remove, right? Now, once removed, you will see in here that it will process the removal of the Windows Media Player legacy. And then you can just add this again on your PC. So add feature and media player. So here, click on it, click add, and then wait for it to be finished. And once done, it should now fix majority of the problems and issues to your media player for both Windows 10 and 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.